Keywords are one of the main foundational components of successful SEO. So let's jump in. Keywords are words or phrases that a consumer enters into a search engine. These show the intent of the searcher and allow Google to decide what pages in their index are relevant to what is being searched. Now, when a searcher enters a word or phrase, Google will scan its index to find the pages that not only contain that keyword entered, but have the most relevant content around this keyword. Keywords are not only important when they are in content, but also within each technical part of your website. Your page content, titles, meta tags, and headers should all thoughtfully contain a combination of keywords. Quality and content should be created around these keywords as opposed to stuffing your page. Before you begin to build your content around keywords, you need to target the keywords that will serve your product and content the best while being easily searchable within Google. Researching keywords is a process that must be done to find what keywords will rank best for your SEO strategy. Keyword research is the process by which you research popular search terms people type into search engines like Google and include them strategically in your content so that it appears higher in a SERP. Keyword research is a fundamental practice in search engine optimization. The keyword research process involves choosing a topic for your content that is focused on a set of targeted keywords that you want to rank for. A quick way to look into keywords that are being searched is to go into the Google search bar and begin to try it out. What additional keywords come up? What are other consumers searching for? At Conductor, we have a few different tools for keyword research. Within Conductor Searchlight, you can use the Explorer tool to search keywords by topic and see how each of them ranks within Google. The Google Doc plugin allows you to do real-time topic and keyword research. This enables you to access the customer voice and successfully identify keywords from the start of creation. Finally, the Conductor app assists in free keyword research right at your fingertips, so check it out in the App Store. Now, it's important that keywords align with your audience's intent and you're answering a problem that they're searching for. When selecting keywords, you should target 2 to 3 keywords per page, and your goal is to create a topic focus for each page. Make sure you remember theme, which is a very important tie-in. As I mentioned earlier, these keywords should not just exist in page content, but should carry through all technical aspects of your page. More on this in Lesson 7, so come back and check it out. To begin keyword research here at Conductor, we recommend you create a framework for how you'll think about content. Start with topic ideation. What is your content about? Next is keyword discovery. What words do you think people are searching for to find your content? And go into Google and start testing. What comes up when you search for your content? What other keywords appear when you're testing? And finally, keyword evaluation. Which of the words you've tested is correct? Be sure to keep in mind search volume, competition, and searcher's intent. You can also work with an audience research analyst or SEO strategist who will help you with keyword research and help identify the best terms. Now, when targeting keywords, it's important to understand there are 2 types, long tail and short tail. Short tail keywords are generally searched more often than long tail keywords, but long tail keywords have better search intent and generally easier to rank for. Another important keyword term is a head term, otherwise known as a head keyword. These are important to be aware of as they are popular keywords that bring the most volume, therefore incredibly competitive to rank for. When targeting your keywords, you want to have a healthy balance of all keyword types while being aware of their popularity. The most competitive and highly used keywords, the more difficult to rank. When selecting keywords, it's important to make sure you are being thoughtful and building quality content. As we know, Google is smart and will be looking for more than just keywords, but using keywords to create themes and relevant content. In Lesson 5, we will cover in detail the importance of content creation within an SEO strategy. Another important factor when targeting keywords is being aware of what your competitors are using. You want to be ranking with your competitors, but make sure you are targeting some of the words they may be missing. You can use Conductor's Searchlight Explorer feature to pinpoint keywords your competitors are using. Interested in learning more about opportunities and gaps around content? Check out our quick marketing tip. Now click Next Lesson to cover more keywords and content.